Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video we are going to solve the problem extra long factorials. The factorial of an integer n, it is defined as this equation you are seeing. For the factorial of 30, the answer is this big integer. In Python we can store big integers like this. Here we have the note. Factorials of n greater than 20 can be stored even in a 64-bit long variable. Big integers must be used for such calculations. Languages like Java, Python, Ruby can handle big integers, but we need to write additional code in C or C++ to handle huge values. We are coding in Python, so we don't need to worry about these big integers. Let's solve the problem right away. Initialize fact equals 1. Iterate the loop for I in range 1, n plus 1. We need to have from 1 fact multiplies equals I. This will multiply each number to the factorial. Here I will go from 1 to n. 1 multiplies 2 multiplies 3, like that it will go on, and we store the result to the factorial variable. Finally print the result. Let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. Yeah, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.